If you need a recipe to feed and please a large group of people, then this is the recipe for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my grandma's apple squares. Peel, core, and cut 10 apples. To the apples, add remaining ingredients and mix well. Take the apple filling and set it aside for later. On a floured surface, roll out chilled pie crust. If you want this pie crust recipe, check out our YouTube tutorial. We will link it above. I'm using a single recipe for the top crust and a single recipe for the bottom crust. Lay crust into a greased baking dish. Today, I'm using a 16 by 12 inch pan. A 9 by 13 would also work. Roll out the second pie crust on a lightly floured surface. Transfer apple filling into crust shell and evenly distribute apples. Lay the crust over the top of the apples. Use your fingers to seal the crust together. Cut away any excess dough around the edges. Slit the pie crust to allow for venting. Using a single beaten egg, lightly coat the crust with a pastry brush. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. While our squares are baking, let's throw together our glaze. Mix together powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Beat until smooth. Once the apple squares are cool, go ahead and evenly cover the squares with the glaze. This recipe has been in our family for 5 generations, and we hope that y'all love it as much as we do.